afternoon, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. It's nice outside and I'm feeling kind of romantic. I thought I'd do a romantic goth look for y'all today. Alright, let's go ahead and get started, and don't forget to subscribe below. Went ahead and did the brows real quick. I'm slowly learning to embrace the eyebrow scar thanks to Robert Welsh and his videos. Starting off with a transition shade, I'm just going to take this brown in the Swear By It palette. The look I'm going for today is going to be very smoky and very sultry. This is one of my favorite types of looks to do. Lots of blacks and things like that. Next I'm going to take this darker brown, put this on the outer corner. This palette was probably one of the very first palettes that I ever bought from NYX. All this work is making me hungry. Now I need a black, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this one real quick. I have a loose black as well, but I don't really trust it not to be too pigmented. Usually the loose shadows are the most pigmented of all, at least in my case, so I don't like to use those unless I really need the pigment to show up. And for this look, I want the black to be softer, so I went ahead and cut the crease, surprising no one. I think I'm low-key obsessed with doing them at this point. Now I'm going back into the Swear By It palette, and I'm using this shimmery gray right here. I went ahead and used a lighter concealer because I really wanted this color to pop. It's been a pretty long week, and I'm very glad that it's Saturday. Now I'm doing eyeliner. Hopefully I can manage to put it on without getting it everywhere today. Hey, it cooperated! Now it's time for mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. And I'm back from outer space. I'm just using my Moonshine Miracle Cream to prime really quick. And for foundation, I'm just using my good old Revlon Color Stay. I'm sitting here thinking about what I'm gonna eat when I'm done. I can make spaghetti or something, I suppose. It's Saturday, so I mean, I don't really have much to do today. Probably hang out, relax, watch a movie or something. Set that real quick with my Fit Me Loose powder. For contour, I'm going to be using the Lunatic Contour book. I'm just going to be using this shade right here. I feel like this book is probably the best thing that I've bought. I'm in love with this contour book, I'm telling y'all. I'm so glad I got it. For blush, I'm just going to use this shade real quick. I'm scared because I don't know how pigmented it is. It looks okay. It looks okay. Kind of want to give myself that nice rosy feel. And for highlighter, I'm just using the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. I love how it makes my skin look wet, but in a good way.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
For lips, I'm just going to use my Video Vixen over So Noir Cool. Alright, here's the finished look. I got my dress on, I got my accessories and everything. I feel really good, I feel really sexy. I'm really liking this look, and so hope y'all like it too. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.